Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So I'm so excited about today's project because this will make my life a lot easier in the garden. I will try to install the first drip irrigation system in my garden, and that will be a lot of help. I will start with only one zone, the flower bed next to the pond, because that one is the furthest from the water source, so it will be a lot easier to water the rest of the garden by hose and this flower bed automatically. I know it's not a huge garden, but it's getting bigger and bigger, and it takes a lot more time to water it now than like last year. And if it works out and I like it and everything works fine, I will extend it to the rest of the garden. So let's go, let's see. So here is my water source in the flower bed behind the cottage. I will have a pipe going alongside the house all the way to the flower bed next to the pond, where the actual drip system will be connected. Okay, so the first part is done. I have the pipe in the ground. This is behind the cottage. The next part will be mostly digging and installing elbows on the pipes until I reach the flower bed next to the pond. Okay, so this part is done. So now let's test it to see if there are any leaks. Water is flowing now and there are no leaks, so I'm good to go further. Okay, so the plan here is to start from here, and I will go all the way next to the pond with one line, and I will put a T here, and after that there will be one entire line for the boxwoods and one for the rest of the plants. These are the pins I just made. I hope I have enough because these keep the drip system in place, so I can make sure all my plants are watered properly. So finally the drip system is done. This faucet will be covered, but let's try it first. Oh guys, can you hear it? I'm really happy with the results, you guys. The drip system works, there are no leaks, it works properly, my plants are happy. So next I will cover them with mulch, and you even won't be able to tell that there is something there, so it's perfect. Thank you a lot for watching, you guys. Happy gardening. Bye!